Hey everyone, and welcome back to Puppy's Kitchen. Today we are doing the Martha's Marley Spoon Za'atar chicken with salad, and tahini sauce, and couscous. And it's this back here, all the instructions, all the ingredients. I had to sub some stuff out because I've had this for a few weeks. Some things went bad. I got into a huge depressive state. And even though I had all these meal kits and everything, I didn't want to do them. So, gotta sub stuff out, but I have everything. Just a few things will be different. So, first we have to start with prepping the couscous aromatics, which is step number 1. And we are trimming scallions. Grab my knife, grab the scallion, which they're not the best looking because, as I said, I got into a huge depressive state, so I guess we really are trimming them. Yeah, they're terrible. This part's okay though. All this down here, that's perfectly fine. And this one, pretty okay. Oh, well, that one's okay. That's a nice little one. Take off this bit. Take off this bit. Alright, all this is okay. My thingy totally fell. I'm going to put this in garbage. I'm going to thinly slice, coarsely chop parsley leaves and tender stems. Peel and finely chop 1 teaspoon garlic. Okay, so we got the garlic, we got this. We're going to chop this. Now, I do like using the whites because I love onion flavor, so using the white doesn't bother me. This is not as thin as they probably want it. I'm trying to stay off camera because I don't want to be on camera. Maybe one of these I will. Maybe the next one. Who knows? I don't, because I don't like the way I look right now. I just started working out today. Again, depressive state. I was just eating the wrong stuff, the bad stuff. So, you know how that is. Maybe you don't, but that's how I am. So, we have the parsley, a little worse for wear. But we will, I mean, it's not bad, it's just wilty. Alright, so I'm going to coarsely chop this. It's still edible, right? Doesn't matter if it's a little wilty, as long as it isn't rotted. That's one other thing. Garlic. There we go. I personally love chopping garlic. All the meat I have is nice and fresh. Except for the chicken. When I got the chicken here, nothing to do with my Marley spoon. But I had the chicken defrosted in my fridge for like a week, and I just wasn't gonna chance it. So I'm doing something a little different with the chicken that I have, because I have drumettes or wings instead of breasts. But okay, where's my little piece of paper? We did number 1, and now on to number 2, which is cook herb couscous. Alright, half a cup water. Let me find my cup. Half cup water. Angles are weird. Half cup water. Pinch of salt. Bring it to a boil. So we're going to turn that on. Here's my couscous. salt. Stir in couscous, and then cover and remove from heat. Okay, let's stand 5 minutes, then fluff with fork, add scallions, parsley, and 1 teaspoon oil to saucepan, stirring to combine. Season to taste with salt and pepper, cover to keep warm until ready to serve. And here is our beautiful fluffy couscous, to which it says to add a garlic. And I'm actually doing this with one hand, so bear with me. A garlic, a green onions, and it said while the couscous was cooking, I was supposed to be making the tahini, but we'll do that while the chicken is cooking, because I have to roast that instead of just doing it on the saute, because they are wings instead of 1 second, I just dropped all my oil. Okay, so continuing on, add our parsley. And 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Get my fork and stir this all up. You can yell at me for using a metal fork in a metal pot. I don't care. I got these pots free from Calphalon, so I've had them for a few years, and this smells so good. We're going to add some salt and pepper. I love pepper. We're adding it to taste. And of course, you know I can't really have that much salt. That might have been too much salt. We're going to stir that again. I know the scraping noise is probably killing you guys. I promise next time I'll use something different. But alright, let's give this just a little taste. That is fresh. It's oniony, parsley, vibrant. Could use some lemon, but we're going to do it by how they say, so 1 more bite because I'm hungry. And then we'll set this aside. I'm going to clean all this up, and then we'll be back for the chicken. Okay, so now we're going to be making the tahini paste. I did an oopsie. Garlic was supposed to go in the paste. Not a big deal. I don't mind extra garlic, so I did just a tiny clove here. So now we have to add the garlic, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, which I have right here. I hope this little bowl is big enough. So, this is 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Yes, we have the vinegar, 1 tablespoon oil. I have to get my oil back out and hope that I have 1 tablespoon left in it. Oh, is this a tablespoon? This is half a tablespoon. Half. I had just enough left. Wow. Okay. So, my oil is empty. We're going to have to use the vegetable oil for the chicken and order some more olive oil online. 2 tablespoons of water. So I've got to get this back out. 4 of these. Oh boy, this is going to be just big enough. And the tahini sauce until creamy with a little bit of salt and pepper. So, I've never had tahini before, so I'm just going to taste this. Ooh, it's a weird flavor. It's like kind of nutty. I think tahini is sesame. And whoops, I love sesame. And I'm supposed to add salt and pepper to this, so let's just see how this turns out. Oh, that is very dark. Yeah, okay. We'll get a spoon. I have one right here. That actually looks quite lovely. Add a little bit of salt. Just a touch. A little bit of pepper. More than a touch. And that is combined. Let's taste. That is lovely. It's very, very vinegar forward, but not bad. I use red wine vinegar. Sorry, apple cider vinegar. But it's not bad. The olive oil really helps. So we're gonna set this aside. Clean up the bottom. Clean up my hands. And I'm going to get out the chicken. My 2 little chicken wings. I like using these because they get crispy and they're also very cheap. They're like $3 for 6 of them, which is very cheap to me because my store is not the cheapest. My store is actually quite expensive. So, alright. After that, seasoned chicken. We are going to, well, we don't have to pound it because it's not chicken breasts. With salt, pepper, and 2 teaspoons of the Za'atar spice. So, salt, pepper, and I'm only doing it on this side because the other side's a bit me. And this is the Za'atar spice, which I will rub in. And I give you a lot. There is a lot. And these are small, so I'm not going to be using the 2 tablespoons. But I did taste this before. I know this is like heavily spiced. But we're going to have that tahini over it, and this is going to go over the couscous, so it's going to be a lot of flavors. And I'm going to save this for another day. But that's done. And I'm going to let these roast for crap. I forgot to put oil in. Crap. I'm going to put these in for about 15 minutes. They're looking, there you go. That's how they look. About 15-20 minutes, check them, see if it's done, and I'll be right back. I'm going to make the salad, because, you know, salads are a little boring, so you don't want to watch me make a salad. Oops, I'm dropping everything. I'm going to clean up, make salad, I'll be back. I am so sorry, I forgot to show me plating, or taking the chicken out, drizzling the tahini over it, but this is my finished dish. There's my salad with my tomatoes. I wanted to add olives, but the olives I have to save for something else. But I love the couscous. I'm just gonna say that right now. I think I really love the couscous. But anyways, this is Za'atar chicken with tahini sauce over couscous with a salad. Not gonna taste it on here. I know it's gonna taste like oregano and chicken and tahini. And a salad is a salad, and the couscous I already tried. But anyways, if you like this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to be doing another dinnerly, 2 more dinnerlies 2 more Marley spoons, and 1 more blue apron, I do believe. So, until next time, this is Puppy.